All right. So basically, like you guys have, you essentially have to just follow the grids, right? So this grid is aligned to the wall up here, right? So that wall is aligned to that grid, and we've already established that. But then you just follow those dimensions, and it goes 2 feet back to the next wall. So here in my floor plan, this one's going to go over to a little bit beyond that wall, so just like that one right there. And then I'm going to hit CS and go down 2 feet, then come across to, let me just kind of drop it here for now. I forget exactly how far it goes across, but let's find out. 4 feet 10 inches off, so I'll pull this back a little bit till I'll just go about there. And another one, and then pull this back up to that grid line. And then we're going to go looks like we're going to go all the way to grid line E, which for this case would be grid line 5. Yeah, that seems short, but all right. That goes all the way down a little bit beyond number 4, so that's going to be down there. Oh, it's right on number 4, so I'll just take it back down here. And then that one is grid line D, so it just follows the first floor. So I could just basically redraw this. So actually, that's an important distinction, right? So there on the second floor, I have a few things going on. The first floor is a little bit offset from the second floor in most cases. So you can see like some walls are aligned, some walls are not. Basically, the way that Revit likes to behave is it doesn't like duplicate elements in the same place. So wherever you have a wall that is contiguous all the way up, you generally don't want to have a second wall. So this is where the elevations come into play. Okay, we are going to have to set certain elevations relative to the building heights in order to establish what we're going to tie these things to. And some of it's going to be tied to the roof, some of it's going to be tied to like roof elevations. So I'm actually going to get rid of this wall, and this wall right here I'm actually going to pull back to there because I don't want that to be a duplicate. And then we're going to actually set some of those walls to elevation heights. So let me go to the south elevation. And we're going to have to establish these levels based off of levels in the model itself. So now what we're going to have to do is look at what the heights are of certain elements, and I'm going to follow these views to a section in order to help me figure out where, what the elevations are of those things. So this is a building section right here to a 4.02. So let's find a 4.02. 4.03. There we go. So to a 4.02. This is our building section cutting through the actually, is that number 2? Oh, they numbered it weird. All right, number 2 is on top. That's odd. So this is cutting through the mass that you see right here on the left-hand side, right, and that you see in the front of that building. So we have to establish the levels based off of this, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Here we have a level 2 elevation, and we have a roof plan elevation. And they don't give us the joist thickness, which is really, really annoying. So I'm going to guess that that's a 12-inch section. Yeah, I'm going to guess that's a 12-inch section. All right, so level 2, we're going to say it's good at 10 feet, and then we got a 12-inch section, and then 8'6". So the roof plan elevation is going to be 9'6" above that, so this is going to be 19 feet 6 inches. We have some things to consider. I think the next thing we're probably going to do is develop the roof before we establish what the massing is. Let's see. All right, so 3AD3. Oh, that roof there is at the roof height. All right, that's fair enough. I dig that. Ooh, this is going to be fun, developing that roof. Okay? I think this is probably a sensible place to kind of pause that roof. This started at level 2, I believe. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Any questions? All right.